Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh Bashem Yahushua Rukwah Kodash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone who rule well, and salutations to the Akim that's spreading out this truth throughout the four corners of the globe in truthfulness and in sincerity. And today, I'm going to make this quick video on Hurricane Florence that's supposed to hit the Carolinas. I'm from the Carolinas. To the Akim, I hope that you'll be safe. I got two scriptures, okay, and I'm gonna pull them. And I have to get, it's a whole bunch of stuff I'm doing. I'm gonna have to get, ready. We might have to leave. So, but anyway, I'm gonna pull two scriptures. All right, two of them. Second Ezra, right? Second Ezra. He answered. Oh wait. Let me back up. It says, he answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently in itself, but when thou seest part of the signs pass, which I have told thee before. Okay. Second Ezra, chapter 9, verse 1. Okay. That was that scripture. Okay. It's just prophecy with the hurricanes. A lot more is to come. All right. Akim. We get earthquakes in diverse places. Okay, now this is Matthew chapter 24 and verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, pestilence, and earthquakes in diverse places. Verse 8, and all these are the beginning of sorrows. Then, I could start right here. These are all the beginning of sorrows. Yeah, it's gonna get way worse out here. I can just feel that tension in the air, in my spirit. It's gonna be a lot of school closings. Stores closing. So, but we're getting closer to the end. So. We're getting closer to the end. Now, on the news, they said that it was gonna hit, for the most part, just all of the Carolinas. So, at one point I heard it was gonna be South Carolina, but pretty much you could just say all of the Carolinas, really. So, I just want to make a live, not live, but a recording, just straight from my phone instead of using Mobizin. It's nice outside for right now, so I was like, well, why not just film a video out here and give my thoughts on Hurricane Florence. So, all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh Bashem Yahushua, and shalom to the elect of Israel. Till next time, shalom. Oh wait, you know what? It might still be on the news right now. Oh no, it's on commercial. All right, man.
All right. Shalom.